Hello my dear students, my name is Khushbu and I welcome you back on my channel. I hope you all are fit and fine in taking care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. So let's recall what we have done. We have done present tense, and present tense we have done simple present and present continuous tense. Basically, simple present tense tells us about facts, habits and routines. Whereas on the other hand, present continuous tense tells us about actions happening at the moment. We generally recognize the present continuous tense with the ing form of verb. The sun rises in the east. It is a fact. It will not change. But if I speak, it is raining. So it is raining at this moment and it will definitely stop in a while or after some time. So sun rises in the east is a simple present tense and it is raining is present continuous tense. Now we will see rules of making the sentence of simple present tense. So our basic rule of making the sentence with simple present tense is subject plus verb, and we use the present form of the verb, right? So now you will be thinking that what is a subject? Subject of a sentence is the person, place, thing that is doing or being something. Now you might be thinking that how you will be able to recognize the subject in a sentence. So let's see one example. Let me write an example. Ria sings. So first of all we will find out the verb in the sentence, means which action is going on in a sentence. So sing is an action. So here we can easily tell that sings is a verb. So we will write here verb. Now ask one more question from yourself. Who? Ria. So who sings? Ria sings. So the answer of our who is a subject. So who sings the song? Ria. So Ria is a subject and sings is a verb. Similarly, see, there is one rule for present continuous tense also. Subject plus is, am or are plus verb plus ing. We always use is or am or are with ing form of verb. Like see our example, Ria is singing. Earlier our example was Ria sings. So it is her habit, it is her routine, she can sing anytime. But here Ria is singing. So at the present moment she is singing and she will stop her singing after a while, after she will finish her song. So here Ria is subject, as we already know. Who is performing an action? Ria. So Ria is a subject. Here we have used is, like I have mentioned here, we use is, am or are. Sing is our main verb and then we have used ing for completing the sentence of present continuous tense. Now you might be thinking, when do we use am, is or are? So we use am with I only. When our subject is I, we use am. And we use is when our subject is singular. Like when we are talking about one person only. Like I have told you now in example, Ria is singing. Ria is only one girl and she is singing. So that's why we have used is. Next, are. We use are with plurals. We use are with plural. Like boys are playing football. So there are so many boys who are playing, that's why we have used are. Similarly, if you will see that we use are with you also. Now you might be thinking, why do we use are with you? So we generally use you for singular also and for plural also. Suppose I say you are studying. So this you are studying is for whom? It is for whosoever or for all the students of class 5 who are studying right now at this moment. So it is not for singular, it is for plural. So we use you for singular also and plural also. But when we are writing in a sentence, we always use are with you, whether this you in a sentence is singular or plural. Okay? Let's understand it with few examples. Let's read it together. Present simple tense. Subject plus verb, and verb we use present form of verb. I play. You play. He, she, it plays. Now you might be confused why we have used plays, as it is because he, she and it are singular. So with singular subjects we add s or es with our verb. Next one is we play. Now see, we is plural and that's why we have used simple verb. So basically we use s or es form of verbs with singular subject, whereas we use simple verbs with I, you and plural subject. Similarly, let's see present continuous examples. Subject plus am is are plus verb plus ing. I am playing. You are playing. He, she, it is playing. We are playing. As I have told you earlier too, that we use am with I, is with singular and are with you and plural. I hope now you understood that how to make the sentences of simple present tense and present continuous tense. So your homework is do the exercise on page 39 in your fair notebook. Thank you for watching the video. Like the video, subscribe the channel, mention your name, class and section in comment box for your attendance. Have a nice day.